What is up guys, Standard this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you the Miro project management tutorial for absolute beginners. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in miro.com or you can type in miro.com/app. After typing, you will be redirected to the landing page of Miro. Now there you will see the option of sign up. Just simply sign up with your email and password, and then you will be welcome to the home page of Miro. Now from here, after you come to the home page of Miro, at the top you have the option of blank board, or on the right side you have the option of create new, and then click on board. So this will create a new blank board for you. After coming to the blank board, first of all, on the left side, click here on the board name to rename your board name and then hit enter. And then as you can see, a saved pop-up message will appear so that it tells you that your board name has been saved. Now from here are some of the templates. When you click on templates, there will be inbuilt templates of Miro. So if you want, you can use these templates. And if you have a custom template, just click on this and then add your templates. Like just click on upgrade. After clicking on upgrade, it will show you all the details. Just fill out those details and enter your template link. So you will add your custom template. As you can see, I like this template. I will just simply click on use template. So this template will be used here on my board. So as you can see, this template has been dropped on my board. And from here, now I can choose a sticky note. For example, I want this color in the sticky note. I'll just simply drag and drop it anywhere I want on the board. I will just drop it here and then I will write some text. After writing, I will just simply unselect it, and then as you can see, this is my sticky note. And from here, after hovering to the text, I will just drag and drop the text box anywhere I want, and then I can resize my text box according to my requirements. You can just simply zoom in and then you can enlarge your text box like this, and you can write something here on the text box. Now, if you are fond of shapes and sizes and and different arrows, you can use these shapes. And if you click on more shapes, there will be multiple shapes that you can choose from and use on your board. For example, I like this one. I will click on it once and then I will just simply drag and drop it here, or I can even choose some of these shapes like this, and as you can see I can enlarge it like this, and as you can see here is my shape and I can type anything inside it. And after coming to the shape, you can change multiple shapes, and here is the freehand drawing, like you can draw anything freely, whatever you want. And here are the frames. You can choose all these frames, like the mobile, tablet, desktop. You can choose according to your needs. And make sure guys, if you use multiple frames, all these frames connect automatically and then they animate too. Now from here you can use the stickers, emojis and gifs, and here are some multiple emojis that you can choose and use from. From here you can add the comments, and from here these are the diagramming shapes that you can apply to your board. And that was all for this video, everyone. This was the mini project management tutorial on Miro. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.